Hello friends, you are welcome. To solve this is very interesting algebra math problem, which is x plus y is equal to 30 and x into y it is equal to 60. To find the value of x and y, listen carefully. Can you solve without a calculator? Yes or not? If yes, then try solving it before me. And if no, then now watch this video till the end and do not skip any steps. Let's have a solution. Now in the first step, we let this equation 1 and we let this equation second. Then from equation 1, x plus y is equal to 30. So take the x right side. Y is equal to 30 minus x. This is equation third. Then into here, from equation second, x into y is equal to 60. Put the value of y. Then, so it will be x into 30 minus x is equal to 60. Then into here, multiply. So it will be x into 30, it is 30x minus x into x, it is x square is equal to 60. Then, so it will be minus x square plus 30x is equal to 60. Now take 60, this is the left side, minus x square plus 30x or minus 60 is equal to 0. Now from this is a quadratic equation, then here quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. As compared with this equation, then a is equal to minus 1 and v is equal to 30 and c is equal to minus 60. Now by applying quadratic formula, this is quadratic formula, x is equal to minus v plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. So here put the value of a and b and c. So it will be x is equal to v, it is 30 minus 30 plus minus square root v, it is 30 square minus 4 into a, it is minus 1 into c, it is minus 60 over 2. Then so it will be x is equal to minus 30 plus minus into minus 1 square root 30 square, it is 900 minus into minus plus, then minus 4 into 6 over 2 into minus 1, it is minus 2. Then so it will be x is equal to minus 30 plus minus square root 900 minus 240, it is 660 over minus 2. Then into here, so it will be x is equal to minus 30 plus minus square root 660, it is square root 4 into 165 over minus 2. Then it will be x is equal to minus 30 plus minus, separate the square root 4 into square root 165 over minus 2, and then it will be x is equal to minus 30 plus minus square root 4, it is 2 into square root 165 over minus 2. Then into here, separate this fraction, it will be x is equal to minus 30 over minus 2 plus minus 2 into 165 over minus 2. Then 30 divided by 2 15 times, x is equal to 15 plus minus 2, this and this are cancelled, it is 165. Then from here we have two solutions. This is value of x. So the first solution, x1 is equal to 15 plus square root 165. This is the first solution. And second solution of x2 is equal to 15 minus square root 165. This is the second solution. Then he got the value of x and x. Now to find the value of y, we recall the equation third, which is y is equal to 30 minus x. So it will be y1 is equal to 30 minus, put the value of x, it is 15 plus square root 165. y1 is equal to 30 minus into 15, it is 15 minus plus minus 165. Now it will be y1 is equal to 30 minus 15, it is 15 minus square root 165. This is the value of y1. And now then, so it will be value of y2, it is 30 minus x2. Then it will be y2 is equal to 30 minus x2, put the value bracket 15 minus 165. Then y2 is equal to 30 minus 15 minus minus plus into square root 165. Then it will be y2 is equal to 30 minus 15, it is 15 plus square root 165. This is the value of y2. Now our conclusion from this first solution, x1 and y1 is equal to this, and then from this second solution, x2 it is and y2. So these are all the solution from this our problem. Now in the next step, let's check these answer if they are correct. Now from a problem which is x plus y is equal to 30. Put the value of x and y. Then it will be 15 plus square root 165 plus y bracket 15 minus square root 165 bracket is equal to 30. Now 15 plus square root 165 plus 15 minus square root 165, it is equal to 30. This square root 165 minus and this square root 165 plus are cancelled. Then so it will be 15 plus 15 is equal to 30. Then 15 plus 15, it is 30 is equal to 30. So left hand side and right hand side are equal. Thank you for watching. Don't forget these tips to miss out. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.